15 people who rose from poverty to millionaire status. Welcome, dreamers and future leaders. Today, we're diving into the incredible journeys of 15 inspiring individuals who defied all odds, rising from poverty to achieve extraordinary wealth and success. Their stories remind us that no matter your starting point, success is achievable with the right mindset, persistence, and courage. This isn't just about making money. It's about transformation, grit, and rewriting life's narrative. If you've ever doubted your potential, let these remarkable personalities show you what's possible. Are you ready to be inspired? Let's jump in. Before we delve into these amazing stories, let's talk about what success actually looks like. For most of these individuals, success wasn't about luck. It was about hard work, resilience, and an unshakable belief in themselves. These people faced rejection, failures, and enormous challenges, yet they persevered. Success isn't confined to those who are born privileged. It belongs to those who are willing to fight for it. As we go through these stories, look for patterns, grit, adaptability, innovative thinking, and the refusal to accept defeat. These are the keys to turning tragedies into triumphs, and they can be your keys too. Let's start with our first story. Born into poverty in rural Mississippi, Oprah Winfrey faced unimaginable challenges in her early life, from abuse to discrimination. Despite this, she seized every opportunity to grow. Starting as a local radio host, she rose to become a television mogul and one of the wealthiest women in the world. Oprah's journey highlights how embracing your authenticity and inner strength can turn adversities into milestones. Howard Schultz grew up in a housing complex for the underprivileged. Watching his family struggle, he dreamed of something bigger. Years later, when he discovered a small coffee shop called Starbucks, he saw extraordinary potential. Through vision, persistence, and innovation, Schultz turned Starbucks into a global empire, proving that humble beginnings don't define your future. J.K. Rowling was a struggling single mother on welfare when she wrote the first draft of Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. Facing repeated rejections from publishers, she never gave up. Today, her beloved series has sold millions of copies worldwide and inspired an entire generation, showcasing the power of persevering through setbacks. Damon John began his entrepreneurial journey sewing hats and selling them on the streets of Queens. With a clear vision and relentless hustle, he transformed his modest clothing operation into FUBU, a billion-dollar brand. Today, he's not just a successful entrepreneur, but also a mentor to others as one of the sharks on Shark Tank. Born to formerly enslaved parents, Madam C.J. Walker rose from poverty as an uneducated washerwoman to become the first self-made female millionaire in America. By creating and marketing beauty products for Black women, she not only built an empire but also empowered a community. Her legacy reminds us of the power of niche thinking and staying true to your roots. Before becoming the face of Tesla and SpaceX, Elon Musk lived on a tight budget while pursuing his dreams of building groundbreaking companies. Musk's story shows how a willingness to embrace innovation and take calculated risks can lead to game-changing success. When Duan Chang moved to America, he worked as a janitor, gas station attendant, and coffee shop employee to make ends meet. His dream, to create a clothing brand that everyone could afford. That dream became Forever 21, a global fashion powerhouse. His story exemplifies perseverance and ambition despite humble beginnings. Dyslexic and a school dropout, Richard Branson refused to let limitations dictate his path. His passion for music led him to create Virgin Records, which later evolved into the Virgin Group, spanning airlines, telecommunications, and more. Branson's story teaches us the power of turning passions into opportunities. Homeless and struggling to make ends meet, Chris Gardner's persistence and unwavering belief in himself eventually landed him a job in finance. Through tireless effort, he climbed the ladder, later founding his own brokerage company. His journey, chronicled in The Pursuit of Happiness, is proof that determination can overcome even the darkest of times. Born to a middle-class family in India, Indra Nooyi's relentless determination and ambition saw her climb the corporate ladder to become the CEO of PepsiCo. Her career is a masterclass in breaking barriers and crafting lasting legacies. Born to a single mother and raised in a working-class neighborhood, Larry Ellison dropped out of college before founding Oracle. His story demonstrates how self-belief and hard work can propel you to incredible heights, even when traditional pathways don't work out. Tyler Perry's journey from being homeless to building a multi-million-dollar entertainment career is nothing less than extraordinary. Using the struggles of his life as an inspiration, Perry became a voice for the unheard, creating relatable stories that resonated deeply with audiences. Coming from an immigrant family and working as a clerk by day, Ralph Lauren dreamed of something bigger. With just $50, he started designing neckties that embodied class and aspiration. Today, the Ralph Lauren brand is a beacon of style and luxury, proving that even the simplest ideas can become icons with the right vision. Ursula Burns grew up in low-income housing, but rose to become the first Black female CEO of a Fortune 500 company when she took the helm at Xerox. Her incredible story is a testament to the power of resilience, dedication, and hard work in overcoming seemingly insurmountable obstacles. Jack Ma failed his university entrance exams multiple times, as well as countless job applications before founding Alibaba. His rise to becoming one of the richest people in the world emphasizes the value of persistence, innovation, and believing in your vision, even when others don't. As we step back and reflect, certain patterns emerge from these stories. Resilience is everything. Failure is not the end. It's part of the process. Dream big, start small. Many of these individuals started with tiny, seemingly insignificant moves that grew into empires. Adaptability and vision matter. These people could see opportunities where others only saw struggles. Hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. Hustle, grit, and persistence are the true game changers. If there's one thing these stories teach us, it's that your background doesn't define your future. No matter how insurmountable your challenges feel, what matters is how you respond to them. Success begins when you decide to take ownership of your life, believe in your ability to create change, and commit to the work needed to achieve your dreams. Young entrepreneurs, your path may not always be easy, but let these stories remind you it's worth it. Take action today. Set a goal, learn a new skill, or take one small step toward your dream. Success isn't a destination, it's a journey. Embrace the process and know that you're not alone. Share this video with someone who needs a reminder that they too can rise above their circumstances. Remember, you have the power to rewrite your story, just like these 15 incredible individuals did. The road to success isn't paved with shortcuts. But as we've seen from these 15 stories, it is achievable for those who refuse to give up. Start your journey today, make it your own, and one day you could inspire the world with your story. Thank you for watching, and until next time, dream big, work hard, and keep believing. The best is yet to come.